Hi, hi, hi. Uh, this is very special. I saw the image I put in. Uh, now, this is about the system and human nature. See, as I've been saying, there is a difference between human nature and human condition. The system is all about condition. Yeah, it's all about fuck us human beings. So, um, people know nothing. You need more than this. It's simple. People know nothing. Everything is a scheme. Everything is fake. They present us like everything in like a symbol way that represents for them what they want to hide from you, the truth. So I, I will explain this trying. It's simple to read, but I will talk about this in a second. So first, as I've been saying, uh, this system sells to people. That's why. That's why they sell this shit. Uh, they say spirituality is a religion. Yeah, but if you look for something this, the other way, like why not Hindus uh, around the idea of yoga, the practice, which has to do with real spirituality. It's about energy, our body, health is about energy. It's all the same. Now, you see, this sells only shit, like the law. See, is represented as blue, civil, blue. You see, police, blue. Yeah, and usually politics. What people thinks is politics. Usually they dress blue. And I already talked about this, that and dark blue because exactly what they are serving, what the darkness, dark shit. They are actors. They and I already thought about this also. The tide used usually bad represents the free fruits, but people shouldn't accept and represents another symbol, which is the serpent tongue. So they are there to tell you bullshit, convince you that that is the rightness. See? And so they make laws in, in that term, uh, seven bullshit. So crime, not right, but the opposite, wrong. So, but you don't know, so you accept. See, they work always on ignorance. They feed every shit to keep people in ignorance. And someone, you know, everything. They are poisonous through every kind of things. Uh, Pharmaceutical industry, food industry. See, they develop uh, the world of chemicals to serve this purpose. And so, see, everything is under the power of mafia, economic groups, politics, so on, religions, everything. Everything you can imagine is exists to serve the same agenda. See, media, whatever you may consider, books, think they would allow you to read something really that could serve you about the truth. No. So those who write books, eh, they know nothing basically. Or if there is something that can be good, well, not enough, far from this, they control everything, like YouTube, Facebook, everything. So I want to bring you a sad example of what's going on. I never saw nothing like this place. It's insane. Of course, police doesn't apply even the law as they should, as they did before, which is what represents what is fake, but in any way, before people were able to think, so the surface, the idea of legitimacy. So the law was applied not in the same, not exactly 100%, of course. They do every kind of shit, but in a way that they see they can see and manipulate things, and people have no idea. So, like, for instance, before, I don't know how many years now, an example, they were in everywhere, whatever, in the roads, they were seeing if taking care of transit situation, like if the driver were in a situation against the law, they would uh, act in order to not only doing their service, but at the same time doing a service called um, educational. You know, people sometimes don't know certain things, and they need to be alerted. See? So the law was applied in a way that had to do with the situation. Instead, it was more serious, more danger in the state. They applied like a fine or something like that. But if it was something not important, they would simply remind people, okay, this time, no worries, but next time you may have problems, so be careful. See? So, uh, well, moving on. I was telling about this place. So, one of those things is exactly the way people are usually driving. It's insane. And of course, police doesn't care. And they sometimes, that is what I see also. They don't know. They don't care about law. Oh, you can't imagine what I've been seeing. It, like testimony, uh, experience, like one chief coming immediately with bullshit because you know what was mistake in it to disguise the situation. So they threw on me lies. And I kept, what? Are you madness? You see, that was enough. I simply cut off coming, come to my life. Ah, it's useless. So, then there are things like people don't don't care don't care about anything basically. Even their business. Uh, well, so and there's something really. Uh, there are here many people suffering with dementia, you know, and there's one or more, I don't know, organization that takes care of those people. Well, yeah, it's what 3P is like bringing some people of that situation into a place like this, work work to of camera. In English, is another version. Doesn't matter. See, I know at least one case of a worker that suffered that problem. You see, and here I saw at least one time, you know, those people being used to carry things, furniture. So they are what people suffering of dementia and or workers. What is this? Is therapy? What what hell is this? See, so you see, um, life has a meaning. Yeah. Spirit is not uh, a word or something like that. Is what everything is about. Yeah. So has to do with consciousness and with everything. Uh, so see, people need to feel that things are right and need to feel. I, I, I mean, feel, which is about spirituality. Feel is about energy in the body. The same. Feel good or feel bad. So in this case, the nation is about what? Exactly the lack of this possibility to experience what life is. Meaning, see, for them, things have no meaning and they feel a thing which is the need to survive like an animal. Simple. They need to survive and then they like act like normal human being, like having a certain way of relation with the others and so on, education, as this this kind of. So they the truth is they don't know basically nothing. They simply have to accept things as they are told, and so they think um, that is what they feel, what is right, what they are told. So they may feel some kind of satisfaction because they don't know exactly what satisfaction is about. They, well, it's sad, really. I keep seeing this, and oh boy, those people need something people don't know what is really love. That is the therapeutic they need. Love. Love is about spirit. It's about energy. It's about consciousness. You see what is at stake? Oh boy. Now, I think is enough about this. Uh, now, the symbol. I I live here. The triangle again, as always, divine Trinity. So you have the bottom, the body, then you have spirituality and consciousness. It's all about the same. And so you see the three arrows and they are pointing out and backwards and they are connected because what this represents is the connection with everything, the connection. Everything is or should be connected. Sorry. So we need to get consciousness about everything. The Lord, whatever, the your health, you need to understand what is your stake. No, one, I really talk about this. One of those things that people are sharing and they don't want, of course, so they have a force of people working in order to lead people to the deception, telling people that, oh, no, no, the system is what serves you health. Mhm. So, during therapy, you need to realize what this is about. I mean, really, really deep. It's not about only taking, but even that taken, what this is about. I saw nothing yet in anybody, really. What is the stake? Urine is, and not only that, of course, they use blood or and urine to reveal what's going on in your body at that time. See, so blood has the information, urine has information, but of course you don't need to take off your blood and take your blood. No, you have urine, your urine, which is about the first urine in the morning. And so, what is the stake here is you sense. That is about two things. I already said this. First, information. Second, energy. Now, you take back uh, some of your urine to uh, tell your body the situation, so your body can look for some problem, some answer, see, and try to repair. This is a process. Every day there is a change. You need to devolve that information. But there is something more. The aged within have a potential, oh boy, many times more than fresh. So basically, you don't need fresh. You need the aged. That is the thing. Now, to explain everything about this, another thing, video. I really talk, maybe not deeply, how to take care. Well, uh, you see, they don't want people to know. Mhm. Uh, so, you see, the system is. all about um, condition, leading people to a certain condition, to fuck human being. Yeah. So, as you can see, the triangle, I think, is really clear. Simple, simple need to read that. Um, and I think it's good. You know. Of course, I would like to put things more detailed, like in this case, you read, but there are the things you need to know. Just to close this, there is someone that has already more than 250 years. Yeah, people don't know. This guy looks like a young boy. And of course, there are many things about this. But one thing is now with other people, which is about uh, not having food. What is called vegetarian. They live on bread. No, not exactly. There is more, you know, what energy is about. It's about spiritual, spirit, power. And he is the house, you know. And then there is a reality they have, which is about the truth, which is, wow, everything exists because the spirit, in order to sort of like, okay, if there is nothing, well, it's like doesn't exist. See? So that is the reason creation has to do with that, and we are the one that can experience. And so, giving back spirit meaning, like paying off. See? So, there is an entity that created. So, was created in order to create everything. See? It's all about energy. Then other entities like, oh boy, our angels exist to help us. And the whole universe exists to help us. See? I am here to represent my Father, Creator, bring paradise on earth again. See? So, everything is Him. He created. Everything is Him. Nobody. Everything belongs to Him. So, I'm here to serve my Father. Okay, that's it. Keep well. The next one.